kids! You're watching Fun for Kids Club. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's go!
Hello, smart kids! Welcome to Fun for Kids Club. Are you ready for a new challenge? Let's go!
Which one is a farm animal?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The chicken lives on the farm. Which one is a wild animal?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The lion lives in the wild. Which one is a strong animal? The tiger is strong and wild. Which animal lives in the water?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The fish lives in water. Which animal can fly? The eagle can fly in the sky. Which one is a pet animal?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The dog lives with people. Which animal lives in the desert? The camel lives in the desert. Which animal is very big?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The elephant is very big. Which animal has sharp teeth?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The lion has sharp teeth. Which animal gives milk?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The cow gives milk. Which animal is small?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The mouse is very small. Which animal lives on a farm? The sheep lives on the farm. Which animal is fast?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The cheetah is very fast. Which animal lives in the jungle? The monkey lives in the jungle. Which animal is strong?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The bear is strong. Which animal has a long neck?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The giraffe has a long neck. Which animal lives in cold places? The penguin lives in cold places. Which animal can swim?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The dolphin can swim. Which animal has stripes? The zebra has stripes. Which animal is a bird?
Come on, kids, you're smart!
The parrot is a bird.
Thanks for watching, kids. Great job today. You're so smart. See you next time, friends.